Hello, my friends, 10th standard friends. Good morning. Welcome to my channel, Belagali's classes. My friends, I have started with a second chapter. Means after completing the trigonometry, the entire trigonometry I have completed except application of trigonometry. That comes heights and distances. That I do later. Except that, the rest of the basic what is there in trigonometry, everything we have completed, including some examples from CET, even IIT, JEE level examples I have done, my friends. Yes. After that, in the previous video, I have started with very simple chapter, that is polynomials. Now the basics of the polynomials I have done in the previous video. Yes, my friends, by taking another 2 or 3 minutes, just I will go through what is done in the previous video. Now after just surveying, reminding, saying hello to what is done in the previous video, we will proceed to the next. Yes, my friends. For 1 minute, have a concentration. See. Started with my friends polynomials. I said it is a Latin word. What is the meaning of this polynomial or meaning of this Latin word? Is a many terms. What do you mean by this? It is an expression which contains many terms, sum or difference of many terms. And what are the kinds of the terms next, my friends? Our concentration is towards the terms of polynomials. My friends. What kind? While defining polynomial, we use the algebraic structure. A algebraic form of the previous is said to be polynomial. First, I want to make clear what is algebraic structure, my friends. Therefore, here it contains many terms. My concentration is on terms of what? First, algebraic structure. Already I have told everything about it. Just I am revising, reminding. Yes, my friends. The terms of this algebraic structure are this form: a into x to the power n. Now, what is a? You mean it is constant into variable to the rational number. See, what is a? Real number. What is x? It is a variable. What is n? A rational number. What do you mean by rational number? It is integer plus fraction. What do you mean by rational number? It is an integer. It is a set of integers. Positive integer, negative integer, fractions like what? 2 by 3, 3 by 4, like that. This is fraction is a rational number. In this case, this power is a rational number. Therefore, my friends, terms like 6x cube, yes. Is it a real number? Yes. Variable to the what? Integer is a algebraic structure. Terms of a algebraic. What is it? 5 root x. This root x can be written as 1 by 2. Real number, variable. Tell my friends, what is this? It is a fraction. Next one, 5 upon root x. 5 into, lifting to the numerator, plus half becomes minus half. Tell my friends, in this case, what is the power? This power is a negative fraction. It is a negative fraction here. Integer means what? Both positive and negative. In fractions means what? Both positive and negative. Yes, my friends. These are the terms of algebraic structures. There sum and this plus this or minus this, everything, it is an algebraic structure. But my friends, observe one more here. See your concentration again with the power. See, what is 5? Real number. What is x? Variable. What is the power? Root 2. The question is it a rational number? If it is a rational number, then only it is algebraic structure. If it is a rational number, then only it is algebraic structure. But if it is not a rational number, it is not algebraic structure. Question is it a rational number? No, my friends, 5. Root 2 is an irrational number, irrational number. When the power is irrational, then this term 5 into x to the power root 2 is not an algebraic structure. It's not algebraic structure. It is not a terms of algebraic structure. Because of this root 2, it is an irrational number but not rational. Yes, my friends. Now I will come to the terms of a polynomial. Terms of a polynomial. This polynomial is our hero or heroine, my friends. Yes. Yes. What are the kinds of the terms of this polynomial? See here. See. It is the terms of this polynomial are also like a into x to the power n. A into x to the power n. What is a? Real number. What is x? Variable. What is n? Power of x. This power of x is whole number, my friends. Power of x is whole number. Whole number means this 0, 1, 2, dash. Otherwise, in another words, this whole number is also called as non-negative integer. Non-negative, except in the set of what these integers. We have taken positive integers with 0. This set is known as whole number. It is also called as non-negative integers. Yes, my friends. So the difference between terms of algebraic structures and the polynomial related with n only, because ax real number, variable. But the difference is with the power. In case of algebraic, it is a rational number. In case of what? Polynomial, this power is whole number. My friends, this is the difference between algebraic structure. What is it? Rational number, integer plus fraction. In case of polynomials, that this n is whole number. My friends, this is the difference. Therefore, looking at this, is it a polynomial? 5 into root x. 5 into root x is what? 5 into x to the power half. What is the power here? Half. Is it a whole number? No. Then it is an algebraic structure but not polynomial. Like that, my friends, x plus 1 by x. If we lift this to the numerator, it is x plus x to the power minus 1. If we lift this to the numerator, this 1 by x can be written as x to the power minus 1. Look at the power. Power is minus 1. Is it a whole number? Is it in this set? No. Then this expression x plus 1 by x is not a polynomial, but it is an algebraic structure. Like that, the third example. What is it? Cube root of y square plus y cube. Cube root of y square plus y cube. This cube root can be written as y to the power 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a fraction but not whole number. As it is a fraction, it is an algebraic structure. As it is not a whole number, it is not polynomial. Yes, my friends. Such terms, these are algebraic structures but not polynomial. And I have mentioned one term here where the power is an irrational number. In this case, this term not the term of what? Algebraic structures. Yes, my friends. I made it clear about the polynomial. What are the terms of the polynomial? What is their structure? The terms of a polynomial, what is it? It is constant into variable to the power whole number. A constant into x variable to the power n. What is that n? N is a whole number. Yes, my friends. In case of polynomials, it is a algebraic structure where its powers are whole numbers but not a rational number. Yes, my friends. Remember, this is about, once again I repeated about what? This polynomials. Yes, my friends. Next, I give the definition of a polynomial. Definition of a polynomial. Yes, my friends. Definition of a polynomial. Definition of a polynomial. Yes, my friends. Everything given in the previous video. Everything is given. Just I am reminding an expression of the form. An expression of the form. I told already everything I told. Polynomials are denoted by Px, Qx, Gx, Rx like that. Px equal to an into x to the power n plus an minus 1 into x to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 into x to the power n minus 2 plus dash. Yes, my friend, here this is a1 into x to the power 1 plus a0. This expression is called, tell my friends, called a polynomial in x and of degree n. My friends. Yes. Look at this. This is the expression. Look at each term. What is that each term? A1, an minus 1, an minus 2, dash dash, a0 must be real numbers. Where an minus 1 dash a0 are real numbers. Belongs to R, set of real numbers, are real numbers. And what about n? N is a whole number, with a condition, this an must be non-zero. Yes, my friends. Then what is this n? N is the highest power of x in Px. Highest power of x in Px is known as degree of the polynomial. Therefore, my friends, what is the degree of the polynomial? Everything I have told. What is the degree of the polynomial? From this definition, therefore, degree of the polynomial Px. What is this? It is the power of, otherwise you can say highest power of x where in Px. What is degree of the polynomial? It is a highest power of x in the polynomial. Highest power of x. See, my friends, this is highest power of x in the polynomial. This is the degree of the polynomial. For example, if I give one example. For example, I have given this example. What is it? It is 2x square minus x cube plus 3. This is your polynomial. Tell my friends. In this expression, in this polynomial, what is the highest power of x? Highest power of x is what? 3. Therefore, in this case, my friends, degree of a polynomial is 3, which is highest power of x. Yes, my friends. Knowing this, it is a constant polynomial. 5. Here it is a polynomial in x. What is this? It is a constant. It contains only constant. This 5 can be written as 5 into 1, which is 5 into that 1 can be written as 0. Provided, my friends, you must be aware of what? X should not be 0. If x is 0, it becomes what? If x is 0, it becomes 0 to the power 0, which is undefined. Therefore, my friends, in this case, this x never be 0. X never be 0. See, in this case, what is the highest power of x? Highest power of x is 0. Therefore, 0 is the degree of constant polynomial. Therefore, what is the degree of a constant polynomial? Degree of a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial is, my friends, see, 0. Degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Now, my friends, you can consider one more. What is that one more? 0 polynomial. Another one is 0 polynomial. Zero polynomial. Tell what is it? Px equal to 0, my friend. Yes, what is it? Px. It is expression in x. We name it as what? It is a polynomial in x of degree 3. What is this? It is a constant. It is a constant polynomial of degree 0. What is this? It is a 0 polynomial, my friends. 0 polynomial. Can you tell what is the degree of the 0 polynomial? This can be written as x to the power 0, where x should not be 0. Then what is x? Where x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And it is so many. As our x is different, 1 to the power 0, 0, 2 to the power 0, 0, because of different values of this. But in this case, this 1. Yes, my friends. So, in this case, we say as it is 0, even though x is not 0, it is 0 itself, then we are unable to find what? The degree of what? This polynomial, namely 0 polynomial. Therefore, degree of a 0 polynomial is undefined. Degree of a 0 polynomial is undefined. Yes, my friends. This is about polynomial. Everything you have taken the notes and it is given. Based on this degree, we classify or give the types of polynomials. Based on the degree of a polynomial, we can define, we can classify the types of polynomials. First polynomial is a linear polynomial. What is it? A polynomial of degree 1. A polynomial of degree 1. Is called as linear polynomial. Tell my friends. What is the form of this polynomial? The form of this polynomial is Px equal to Ax plus B, where A not equal to 0 and B are real numbers. This represents in general linear polynomial. What is its degree? Highest degree of x is for 1. Degree 1, linear. For second, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. What is it? A polynomial of degree 2. A polynomial of degree 2. This degree 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. Degree 2. Then what is its form? The form of quadratic polynomial is Px equal to Ax squared plus Bx plus C. Same, my friends, where A not equal to 0, comma B, comma C are real numbers. My friends, what is this? This is quadratic polynomial. The third is a cubic polynomial. Cubic. This is 3. Cubic polynomial. Yes, my friends. What is it? A polynomial of degree 3. Degree 3 is known as what? Cubic polynomial. Then what is its general form? Px equals to, yes, my friend, It is a into x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d plus d. Yes, my friends. What is it? Cubic polynomial. Then degree 4. Degree 4 is known as biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Like this, you have polynomials of higher degree. This has a name, biquadratic. Next 5, 6, 7 dash dash, they are all comes under what? Polynomials of higher degrees. Yes, my friends. These are the types of polynomials. A polynomial of degree 1, linear, ax plus b. 2, quadratic, ax square plus bx plus c. 3, cubic polynomial, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. What is this? Degree 4, biquadratic. In that case, you get what? Starts with power 4 decreasing. A x to the power 4, bx cube, cx square, dx plus e. It is what? Biquadratic polynomial. Yes, my friends. These are the types of polynomials. Mainly we consider three. At the most, that is, another one is biquadratic. These are the main four: linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic. Yes, my friends. After this comes, it is done in the previous video. Still, it is on the board itself. See, next is what? Value of the polynomial. This is another important thing. Value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial px at x equal to a, real number at x equal to a, is what? Is obtained by substituting x equal to a in px. Yes. How to find the value of the px at x equal to a? Directly you substitute x equal to that point. You get value of the polynomial. That value of the polynomial at x equal to a is denoted by what? PA. Therefore, my friends, what is PA? Value of the polynomial px at the point x equal to a. Yes, my friends, even there are two examples. This is one example. Py, it is a polynomial in y. What is this? It is a polynomial in x. All these are what? These are polynomial in x. Base is x. What is this? It is a polynomial in y. Py equal to y square minus y plus 1. You find y, py at y equal to 2. You have to find py at y equal to 2. Yes, my friends. At y equal to 2. Put y equal to 2. 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 5 minus 2, 3. Therefore, P2 is 3. I have taken second example as what? Pt equal to what? T minus 1 into t plus 1. Otherwise, you can write it as what? T square minus 1. Simplify. P1. P1 is what? My friend, 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. It is 0 into 2. 0 into 2 is 0. What is the speciality here? This polynomial Pt at t equal to 1 becomes 0. Yes, my friends. This value of t, where the polynomial becomes 0. See, the value of t of what? Polynomial pt, where it becomes 0. This value of t is called as 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. So in this case, my friends, t equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial pt. What is that? Pt equals, t minus 1 into t plus 1. Yes, my friends. Then what is 0 of the polynomial? What is the 0 of the polynomial? It is the value where that pt or p1 value becomes 0. If the value of the polynomial at a particular point is 0, then that particular point is defined as, called as 0 of the respective polynomial. 0 of the respective polynomial. Yes, my friends. Next part, the mathematicians concentrated towards what? What do you mean by 0 of the polynomial? What are its forms? How to find the what? 0th of the polynomial. Again, polynomials means what comes? Linear, quadratic, cubic. Yes, my friends. Our next concentration is on 0 of the polynomial. Yes. Yes, friends. Yes, friends. Next is zeros. Zeros of the polynomial. Next is zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Yes, friends. This is another one, examples under 1 mark, 2 mark on this. Good. Yes, my friend. Definition. Yes. A real number k. My friend, a real number k is said to be a 0 of the polynomial. See, a real number k is said to be 0 of the polynomial. Said to be 0. Zero of the polynomial px. If pk equal to 0. Tell my friends. It is a real number. This real number is said to be 0 of the polynomial px. This entire thing is there. That k is said to be 0 of the polynomial px if pk is 0. Tell my friends, what is pk? What is pk? It is value of the polynomial px at x equal to k. Value of the polynomial px at x equal to k. If this value becomes 0, then this friend k is said to be 0 of the polynomial. Yes, my friends. It is very, very easy. Like here, they give the polynomial px, they give points. A point where that polynomial becomes 0, that value is said to be 0. If it is not equal to 0, my friends, here, if it is not equal to 0, in that case, this number k is not the 0. If the RHS is 0, value is 0, then only that number is said to be 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise, if it is not equal to 0, that number is not a 0 of the polynomial. Yes, my friends. I take one or two examples. Yes, my friend. This itself is one example already. Why? Taking this at t equal to 1, it becomes what? 0. Yes, my friend. I take px equal to, for example, Px equal to polynomial in x is x square plus 2x plus 1. Yes, my friend. And then you have to find what? Find value of Px at x equal to, my friend, 0, 1, minus 1. 0, 1, minus 1. Yes, my friend. First, at x equal to 0. First, at x equal to 0, denoted as P0. P0. In this case, you have to put what? X equal to 0. 0 plus 1. What is this, my friend? 1. Is it 0? Not equal to 0. From this, what is clear? Therefore, my friends, as P0 is not equal to 0, implies x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is not 0. Not 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the polynomial Px. Polynomial Px. I hope understood. It is not 0, my friend. Why? This is not 0. P0 is not 0. Then I take P1. 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 This is second, my friend. Put x equal to 1. P1 x square plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1. What is this? 4. My friends, 4 is not equal to 0. Implies x equal to 1 is also not 0. It is also not 0 of what, my friend? Px. Not 0. And one more is there. What is it? Put x equal to minus 1. Third one. Put x equal to minus 1. That is P of minus 1. What is it? Minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. Simplify it. Minus 1 whole square plus into minus is minus 2 plus 1. What is this, my friend? It is plus 1. Yes, tell. It is 2 minus 2 makes it 0, my friend. Therefore, in this case, you are saying what? P of minus 1 is 0. When P of minus 1 is 0, by definition, x equal to minus 1 is a 0. Is a 0 of the polynomial Px. Yes, my friend. So from this, what is clear? One line. What is that one line? The value of Px at x equal to particular point k. If it becomes 0, then that particular point k is said to be 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, from this definition, my friends, tell how to find the zeros of the polynomials. To find the zeros of the polynomials, tell, solve the equation Px equal to 0. Solve the equation Px equal to 0. Understood? RHS must be 0. Px equal to 0. The corresponding values of x where Px is 0, those corresponding values of x are said to be zeros of the polynomial. Yes, my friends, from this what is SICA, very, very important, because we have examples based on that. What is it? To find the zeros of the polynomial Px, solve the equation Px equal to 0. Solve the equation Px equal to 0. Or the same thing you can tell in another way. Find the values of x by putting Px equal to 0. Find x, putting Px equal to 0. Yes, my friends, this is one useful thing directly from the definition of what? Zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. What is that note from this, my friends? You must remember this note. What is this note? To find the zeros. Zeros of a polynomial Px. Yes. Solve the equation Px equal to 0. or the same thing, saying, what is it? Find x by putting px equal to 0. Find x by putting px equal to 0. Both are same. Solve means what? Find x in this equation or solve for x, px. Yes, my friends. This you must remember. Whatever we have discussed in case of what? This zeros of a polynomial, the method of finding the zeros by this way is known as algebraic method, my friends. It is algebraic method. What is it? This method, what is that method, my friend? Solving px equal to 0, the values of x are nothing but the zeros of what? The polynomial. This method of finding the zeros of a polynomial, that method is known as algebraic method. This method is known as algebraic method. My friends, I concentrate first on this algebraic method. Next, one more method is there. That method is geometric method. Finding zeros of a polynomial by geometric method. This geometric method, after completion of what? Everything about the algebraic method, the types of the examples, everything in algebraic, I will complete this first, then I will come to geometric method to find what? Zeros of the polynomials, my friends. These are the two. One, algebraic. Second, geometric. Algebraic, what is the method? Same. What is it? It is a value of x at which px is 0. Therefore, to find the zeros of px, solve px equal to 0 or put px equal to 0. Both are same, my friends. Yes. Then some examples under 1 mark questions, my friends. What 1 mark questions? Very simple examples. Just to see. The title is verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomials indicated against them. Yes, my friends. These comes under 1 mark. Yes. Yes, my friend. What is the title? Just I will keep it here and for the reference, my friends. I keep it. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Yes, my friends. This is just we have to verify. Tell my friends what you have to verify. Put the respective value of x in px. Observe whether the RHS is 0 or other than 0. If it is 0, it is 0 of the polynomial. If it is other than 0, it is not the 0 of the polynomial. Very simple. First example, px equal to 3x plus 1. What is the point at x equal to minus 1 by 3? We have to test, verify whether x equal to minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of this polynomial px. Yes, for that what you have to do? Put x equal to minus 1 by 3 in px. Yes, my friends. I write what? first one or two examples in detail. Put x equal to minus 1 by 3 in px. In px. Therefore, my friend, we are putting x equal to minus 1 by 3. Yes. It is 3 into, what is x? Minus 1 by 3 plus 1. See, my friend, 3 cancels. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Therefore, p of minus 1 by 3 is 0. pk is 0. pk is 0. Then k equal to minus 1 by 3 or x equal to k minus 1 by 3 is the 0. Gives x equal to minus 1 by 3 is the 0. Is the 0 of this respective px. Yes, my friend. First example. One more example. Yes. Px equal to, second example. Second example. Px equal to 5x minus root 2. This is at x equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Yes, my friend. What you have to do? You have to put x equal to 4 by 5. X is 4 by 5. Therefore, my friend, p at x equal to 4 by 5. Yes, my friend. Now, what is this? 5 into 4 by 5 minus root 2. 5 cancels. What is this? 4 minus root 2. Is it 0? No, sir. Not equal to 0. When it is not equal to 0, this gives x equal to 4 by 5 is not 0. Not 0 of what? That respect to px. 0 of polynomial px. Yes, my friends. I hope it is clear. What is this? This is second example. Verify whether this is the 0 of 0. At this point, what you have to do? Substitute, simplify. Is it 0? No. Then it is not 0. One more example. 3 equal to, third example. It is px equal to, this is x square minus 1. You want to discuss that x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1. Tell my friend, what is P1? This drama I now leave it and directly write. Therefore, P1, what is P1? 1 square minus 1, which is 1 minus 1 is 0. I write directly this also. What is P of minus 1? What is it? It is minus 1 whole square. Why? You are putting x equal to minus 1. X square minus 1 whole square minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1 minus 1, 0. Totally both are zeros, my friends. Both are zeros. Therefore, x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 1 are zeros of the polynomial px equal to x square minus 1. X square minus 1. Yes, my friends. Just one sample. Do it yourself. Px equal to this is x plus 1 into x minus 2. Just you verify at the point x equal to 1 and x equal to 2, my friends. Verify at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Yes, my friends. These are very, very simple samples of what? One more questions. Verify whether the indicated in front are the zeros of the respective polynomials. Yes, my friends. Any examiner may give what? Such a simple examples under 1 mark questions. 1 mark. It is a good question under 1 mark examples, my friend. Next comes how to find the zeros of a linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Yes, my friends. And now we will go one by one. Method of finding the zeros of first algebraic, next what? Quadratic, and third is cubic polynomial. Yes, my friend. First I take algebraic polynomial. Yes. Method of finding yes, my friends. I keep it because the definition is important. Yes. Method of finding zeros of polynomials. Yes, my friend, polynomials. Method first, my friend. First is algebraic polynomial. Algebraic polynomial. Tell my friend. What is algebraic polynomial? Px equal to ax plus b. You know the conditions. A not equal to 0, b belongs to R. It is a condition. Yes, my friends. We wanted, what is the method of finding the zeros? What is the method I told? Note, what is that? Solve the equation Px equal to 0. Yes, my friends. To find zeros of polynomial Px. Yes, my friend. Solve the equation Px equal to 0. Tell my friend, what is Px? Px is ax plus b. Px equal to 0 means ax plus b is 0. This gives my friend ax plus b equal to 0. Yes. Solve for x. Solve means what? Finding the value of x, my friend. Making use of this to find the value of x. What is it? Ax is minus b. What is, my friend, x? It is minus b by a. Then what is this minus b by a? Minus b by a is the zero of the polynomial ax plus b equal to 0. 0 of the polynomial what? Ax plus b equal to 0. At x equal to minus b by a, if you put x equal to minus b by a cancels to get minus b plus b 0. Otherwise, my friends, remember, we got this value of x by putting this equal to 0. Now, when this is 0 at this point, then this point x equal to minus b by a is the 0 of the polynomial linear ax plus b equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus b by a is the 0. Of the polynomial Px equal to ax plus b, my friends. This is general. If you wanted a particular case, what is it? Px equal to 3x plus 5. Linear. Yes, you know. For zeros of Px, solve or put anything. Solve Px equal to 0. Px equal to 0 means what is that? RHS. 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So from this, my friends, what is the value of x? Minus 5 by 3. X is minus 5 by 3. Therefore, this is the 0. Required 0. 0 of Px, my friends, which is polynomial. From this, what is clear? What is your B, my friend? Your B is a constant term. What is your A? It is a coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Therefore, in case of linear polynomial, what is 0 of the polynomial? It is minus constant term upon coefficient of x. Constant term upon coefficient of x. Here, see, this is your particular case. What is 0? Minus the constant term. Down is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is what? 3. This is the 0 of the polynomial. This is the method in finding algebraic, that too linear polynomial. What is this, my friends? Algebraic linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Yes. Linear polynomial. Yes, my friend. I have done 2 samples. You can do. Yes, my friends. Next comes what? Quadratic polynomials. Then comes cubic polynomials. Man, these are important examples. Next I do the quadratic in another video. Yes, my friends. Remember, once again, my friends, for your sake, as it is a basic, the beginning must be good. The beginning must be clear. To make it clear, again by taking 10 minutes in the beginning of this video, I explained everything, my friends, about the polynomial, about the algebraic structure, which is polynomial, which is not polynomial, everything, degree, explained, my friends. That is the basic. Please read carefully the basics before proceeding to the what? The next part of it. If the basic is clear, definition of a polynomial, what is algebraic structure, what are the differences? Yes, degree, if everything is clear, then only you can very well understand the chapter or the subject. Yes, my friends. Saying this, yes, I say to this class, it is enough today. This video, it is enough. Thank you very much. Next video, I will do with what? Zeros of quadratic and cubic polynomials. Yes, my friends. Thank you very much. Good day.